Today's program is to print the numbers from 1 to 10 using a for loop. And can you see the first line is the documentation given over there, and there's a two slanting lines are there, and this means this is the documentation which has to be written in every program during your exams and daily practice. After that, there are common lines. So these are the common lines has to be written every day in every program till your ICC exam. And I have given a highlight on S, and can you see S is in uppercase, or it is called capital letter. Similarly, for the class name also, F is in uppercase or in capital letter. Similarly, L is also in uppercase or in capital letter. We are going to use the term uppercase for capital letter, because for Java programming, the small letter and capital letter words are not used, and we are going to use the term like uppercase for capital and lowercase for small letters. So similarly, if you see this line, S is in uppercase, E is in uppercase, and scanner this line, S is in uppercase, again S is in uppercase, and S is in uppercase. You have to write in uppercase wherever it is applicable, otherwise you are going to lose marks during the exams. And there is one more documentation, and this documentation is given to you to show what is the next step we are going to do. So as the question says, to print the numbers from 1 to 10 using a for loop, so I have written the word for, and within the bracket there are some controls are there, and the first control is int I is equal to 1, and this is called initialization, and this int is called integer. It is written in short because as a data type, and it is written in short integer. And the next control is I less than equal to 10, and this is called test expression. And in between this initialization and the test expression, there is a semicolon. And if you see this semicolon, this is a separator between the first control and the second control. And if you go to the third control, I++, or it is called update, there is again a semicolon which is a separator. And now the fourth control is the curly bracket open and the curly bracket close. This is called the body of the loop. So there are four parts in all the loops. Number one, int I is equal to 1, which is a initialization. I less than equal to 10, it is called test expression. I++, it is called update. And from this curly bracket open to this curly bracket close is the fourth part, which is called the body of the loop. Now once you have written the program, on the rough column you have to write I and underline that, and below I you have to write 1, because I is getting the value, or it is getting initialized with the value 1. So once you have written 1, it will go to the test expression I less than equal to 10, and here it is going to get tested for true or false. For true or false, can you see the less than symbol? It is highlighted. So I is 1 in the rough column, so 1 is less than 10, so it is true. As it is true, the program will go to the next line or the immediate line, to this line, and here it is written system.out.println numbers are I. So it will print the statement numbers are and also the value of I, and if you see in your rough column, the value of I is 1, so 1 is going to get printed. Then it will go to the closing curly bracket, and this closing curly bracket will take you to update. Update means addition by 1 or incremented by 1. So the last value of I, which was 1, will get incremented by 1 or added by 1. So 1 plus 1, 2. So the plus means plus 1. So I will become 2 in the rough column. In the rough column, please write 2, and you will again check in the test expression 2 less than equal to 10. So 2 is less than equal to 10, it is true. It is less than 10, true. So it will go to the next line and will print the value numbers are 2. Similarly, again it will go back and it will take you to the update, addition by 1, incremented by 1, last value of I was 2, so 2 plus 1, 3. So in the rough column, please write 3. So it will check in the text expression whether I is less than 10. So 3 is less than 10, true. So it will go to the next line and it will print the value 3. Similarly, let us say it has printed till 9. So 9 got printed. Once 9 got printed, it will take you to update. 9 plus 1, 10. So in the rough column, please write 10 under I. So can you see there is an equal symbol is highlighted, equal symbol. So I is 10, so 10 is equal to 10, true. True, it will go to the next line, it will print the value I, that is 10. But the loop is not here terminated, and to get the loop terminated, the loop has to become false. So how it is going to happen? It will go to I plus plus 10 plus 1 11. Please write 11 in the rough column. So 11. Now it is going to check I less than equal to 10, and the value of I is 11. 11 is less than 10, false. As it is false, the loop is terminated. The loop will come out of the program and it will stop, and it will not print 11, it will print only the numbers from 1 to 10. So I'll show you that how. I'll give a click on compile. See the compile over here. I'll give a click on compile and see at the bottom of the screen it says class compiled and no syntax errors in the program. So that means there are no errors in the program in the bottom of the screen. I'll show you the output now. See the output, numbers are 1, numbers are 2, numbers are 3, all the numbers have been printed from 1 to 10. So this is the final output.